The role of AI in fleet diagnostics. What's fantastic about AI is that you can teach it anything and it will do so autonomously. That's why we call it AI. It's also kind of like deep machine learning. What's awesome on the diagnostic side is that we can input real life data and continuously update it with our findings in the real world so that it can autonomously monitor your vehicles in the digital world. What does that mean in practicality? When you have the code P0420 come up and we see that code coming up on a bunch of different vehicles, it could be as simple as the gas that we are putting in our tanks is contaminated. And we'll be able to link that fuel tank with all the other connected devices to see if we have a bad quality of fuel. Additionally, we'll also be able to look at all of the times that that code has come up and what the fix was. If you look at a company like Identifix, that's exactly what they do. They use real-world mechanics solutions to problems that they find, and they build a database around it. It's one of my favorite systems. We use it. It's just like AllData. We like Identifix a little bit better because the information comes from other real people. So what's fantastic about the AI model is that we can leverage all of that information from our own fleet experience to those that have already made databases and teach the AI how to read it, interpret it, and turn that into actionable items. And AI can basically model all of these things, put them in together, and make it very easy for you to understand. And that's one of the benefits and the beauties of what's happening here in 2025 with our app, Downtime Terminator. Our software is getting better every single day, and we have a really great team behind us.